In this video, we'll be installing a front license plate bracket on this Ford F-150. So if you look here, again, this is a 1996, so over the years it's been modified by many people. These two holes here are going to be your plate bracket holes. So with your factory bracket held up in place, those are the two bolt holes that line up on top. There is one on the bottom that we'll get to after. To put our plate in place, we're actually going to use some rivets. I'm going to line it up through our bracket, into our bumper, and press that rivet tight. With one set, rotate up, and we can do the other. Okay, now underneath the front bumper we have our last point here. And that's it. Your license plate bracket is now installed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.